Good evening and welcome to the workshop. As you can see, this is my MyFed ML7 and I have it mounted finally on my lathe stand. So this is constructed by a friend of mine. It's made out of 40mm by 40mm 3mm box section with a 2mm I think sheet drainage thing with a nice little drain plug over here. And this is some 80 by 40 billet, and it's drilled through. I haven't got the studs yet to fix it, but it's drilled straight through to underneath. And that's how I'm going to mount the lathe. I've still got my handy piece of wood here, which is protecting my wall from being splattered with cutting oil. And yeah, I've just been messing around with the lathe in general. So I've had it cutting tapers. You can't even see, that's not even focus, is it? Yeah, I had it cutting some tapers. Had the top slide off and turned around. Yeah, been gripping this and cutting bits and bobs. And so yeah, so really now I'm just trying to get to grips with it. Well, one of the challenges I've got is, as I previously mentioned, this four-way tool post takes tools that are 3/16 of an inch tall, which is 7.98 mil. So I bought a set of carbide tools from Kronos, a bunch of them. I think this was 20 quid for all of these, and they're amazing. I managed to blunt the first two, I think, by running them way too slow with a slow feed, and it just didn't go well. And so I was using these high-speed steel ones. But the problem I've got is that my only parting off tool at this point is this, which is notionally a grooving tool. External grooving. You can't see that, can you? There we go. But because 5/16 is 7.9 mil, those are 8mm tools, or these are 8mm tools. It puts it over the center line, which means it catches, which is no good for anything. So I need a adjustable 3/16 parting off tool, or I need to grind one up myself. So that's that. But it's been really enjoyable. I actually filled these oilers up, and then oil has literally just gone everywhere. So I think I messed it up somehow. This doesn't look like it's a great seal around here. It was leaking around here, and also around here a little bit. So I'm gonna, let that set up a bit and wipe it down and see what's happening. But I've been changing gear ratios. I've been using the power feed. The next job is probably going to be to set up the feed to be as sorry. So here's the gears for the lathe. So Aid has got Aid Swash, I think. It's got a setting on how to set that up. So I've got a set of gears, and this is the list of pitches that you can get. So basically, we pick something really down the bottom where we've got all of the gears for, and the net result is that this lead screw will turn really slowly in relation to the chuck, which is what I want. So I've just been messing around with this. I mean, this isn't a great finish. It's smooth with your finger, but if you scratch your nail across it, you can see the ridges, and that's by hand. Because if I use the lead screw, the power feed on the lead screw, the carriage feed, sorry, then it just goes. It kind of cuts across quite quickly. So I don't know exactly how many teeth per inch are set up. Maybe it's 40 teeth per inch or something, which means that the actual carriage, when it's moving automatically, goes way too fast. So that's what I've got. That's what I'm going to keep just messing around. I might make myself another cannon. I've got some aluminium to make a cannon. I might do that on this because that seems like that could be quite fun. And I think I'm just gonna see how that goes, really. But overall, really chuffed, and it's gone really well.